Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day and everybody's staying warm. And we have snow again here. Lovely Ohio weather, right? We're about done with the snow. Today we are going to be making these cute candy boxes, I guess you would call them. They're a great gift for Valentine's Day. So I have a couple made. They're fairly easy to make. You can embellish it with a bow around the front, put a bow on the top. I think I might put a bow on them. I did put some of this cellophane heart stuff on it, but I'm thinking maybe a bow might work good too. Put one right here or put it around the sides. So I have this one made, which is the Whoppers one. And it's got 4 boxes around. I also have made an M&M one. It's the M&Ms. This one's a little smaller circumference around because the boxes are smaller. And then I've got all the candy on the top. See, I made one out of Sweethearts. I mean, as long as you can find this movie theater popcorn, you're good to go. And then I made one with Nerds. So there's 4 boxes of Nerds, and then you got your candy on the top, and then you got your cellophane on the bottom. You can also add to this, like you can put hearts up here on the top. You can put, some people put stuffed animals in them. These ones are just the very basic ones. I've seen them with the balloons. Those the little balloons with them too. So let's get this started. What you're going to need is you're going to need your glue gun. And you are going to need 4 boxes of the movie theater candy. I guess you could mix them up too and put 2 and 2 or do 1 of each if you like. I kept mine simple and just did 4 of the same. And you are also going to need the little candies. I did not go with the minis. I went with the snack size with these. So I'll show you how to put those on the sticks here in a minute. But I just grabbed a whole bunch of little bags of candy, and you can pick whichever kind you like. Whoever you're making this for, you can pick what kind of candy they like. And you are also going to need some of this floral foam. I ended up getting the dry foam from Walmart. This pack was like $2.30 or something like that, and I was able to do 5 of these. Plus I'll have extra for another one, so you'll get 6 out of them. This is the 3-piece 2.6 inch by 3.4 inch times 7.8 inch. I found it with the flowers. You can also buy the styrofoam if you like. Whatever you can find. I know they have it at the dollar store too. So the first thing you are going to do, you're also going to need some sticks. I got mine at Walmart. I couldn't find the skewers, so I went to the camping aisle and I found this. These are 32, sorry, the package is kind of smashed up. They're 32-inch bamboo skewers. There was 12 in here, and I was able to cut them into 3s to be able to use them for this. So it was just enough. Actually, I had to pull out of my stash to get a little bit more. But however you decide and how much candy you want is how you'll decide what you'll need for this, for the skewers. I was looking in the cooking aisle and I couldn't find the skewers. So the first thing you are going to do is we are going to assemble our box. So you're going to take the candy and you're going to hold it up like this, and you're going to decide how much of this you're going to need. I do not go flush with the top. I go in a little bit. So I am going to say I am going to need, and I just use a regular butter knife to cut this. You don't need anything fancy to cut it. I'm going to go right there. I mean, it's your preference, however high or low you want it in there. You can choose whichever works best for you. All right, so I have that done. Now I'm going to take my candy and I'm going to kind of make a little box. Make sure when you're putting these down, you have those on the bottom, so you have the Swedish Fish name on the top, or the Nerds, or the Sweethearts, or whichever kind of candy you're using. Now these boxes are the ones that are kind of big. Like when I used the Sweethearts and the Nerds, it was the same circumference inside, so I didn't need to adjust it. I am going to adjust this as I'm going to glue two sides, and then these two are going to be glued to the boxes. That way we have an even around. My Whoppers boxes were the same. So now we're going to take our glue gun and you're going to glue down. Make sure you put plenty of glue on. I usually just do a square and then I X. When I make an X around it. You want enough glue for it to be stable. When you put it on, you want to have it up. Make sure you don't have those numbers on the bottom. Make sure they're on the bottom, not the top. And you want to make sure it's flush with the table so it's even. And you want to press it on. Just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and do the other side. And you're going to go around. How's everybody's day going? Hope it's all going good for you guys. All right, same thing. Make sure that, make sure you look at your presentation of your box. I always like to have the front of the box on the outside, barcodes on the inside. Just like that. All right, so for this side, I am going to just put glue right here on the edges because it's not quite big enough, but you won't be able to see that once the box is made. So you just go down the side of the box on both sides. Make sure it's flush with the table. Make sure it's oriented correctly. And then you push. Don't push so hard that it smashes your box, but make sure it's enough to attach. Do the same thing to the other box on the other side. Just like that. Make sure your orientation of your box is good. Hold it down. Now our box is ready to go. Now the next thing you are going to do is you are going to take skewers. Mine I have done at 6 inches and 12 inches, but you can customize those however you like so it'll fit in your box. So like I have on these ones, the different sizes. These ones back here are 12, these ones were 8, and then these ones were 6. That way it's, you have a layered effect on it. You don't have to do that. You can all make them the same, and then how far you put them into your foam on the bottom. But how you do the candy is that you want to make sure the orientation is right. So when you have it on the stick, you can read it. It says Twix, so it's direction. So the direction is the correct way. So you're going to open up the little flap on the candy, and I always just do a fine line right down here. And then you're going to take your stick and you're going to put it on there, and then I fold over the flap, over the stick. So when you're done, you'll have something that looks like this. Now the next step you are going to do is you are going to take your candy and you're just going to position it however you would like to position it in. And you're just going to push these down. And everybody's different. Everybody has a different way of doing it. Just however you would like to do them. You can put as much or as little as you like in them. And you just kind of push them in. Just like that. Push these ones down a little bit. Now at this point, yes, you can add a stuffed animal if you like. You can add a toy. Whatever floats your boat. Now I am going to add some of this cellophane that I found at Walmart. It came in a big roll. Like this. And I just cut it. I cut mine at 10 by 10. You can decide whatever works for you. If you want the cellophane bigger or more floofy, you could do a 12 by 12, 13 by 13. Pretty much you can just make it however you would like. So how you're going to put these in is I use a stick. I use a chopstick. And you are going to take it and I put it right in the middle. And I don't push it through. Just kind of have it in there so you have some support. And then you're going to kind of do one of these things. And you're just using the stick to kind of get it in there. You're going to go in the corner. I put mine in all 4 corners. You're going to push down, pull out the stick. Cute little trick that works awesome. Do the same thing to this side. You can also add like hearts to it on the sticks. I know like the dollar store has those Valentine's Day props for the pictures. Those would look good in here. And then you can just push this around however you like. I might go in later and add a bow to them. I haven't decided yet. But there they are. cute, quick project, great Valentine's Day project, great birthday project. I'm sure some teenage kid would love this. My daughter would love one of these for her birthday or for Valentine's Day. You can also add gift cards in too. That would be a pretty good idea. So there they are. That's what the bottom will look like. Some people do put a piece of cardboard on the bottom if you would like. All right, guys, thank you for joining me today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and you stay warm. Please like and subscribe. It'll let you know if you subscribe. It'll let you know when I post new videos. Anything you guys would like me to try, please leave a comment. I will try to get a video out of it. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you.